Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is a quick unboxing video of the SCORP Mini 2 by FeyuTech. The FeyuTech SCORP Mini 2 is a camera gimbal that is used by professionals to shoot videos. It comes in a white solid box and in two colors, the white and the black. Without wasting much time, let's quickly get into the box to see what is inside. When you open the box, the paperwork, there is the manual and then two cards. One card is a warning card, and then the second one is the QR code for you to get the videos on how to operate or balance the gimbal. This gimbal currently is in two colors. There is the black and there is the white. So I went for the white one. So looking at the arrangement of the gimbal, it looks really good. You know, by sight, it looks really beautiful. And when you grab it, it's made of quality. It is really solid. It feels good in the hands, and you know, I was surprised at the quality of this gimbal. Considering the amount of money that I paid for it, it looks really solid and it feels like good quality. So this is the mount for the mobile phones, so that you can mount your mobile phone on the gimbal. Really feels solid. The material really feels like high quality. It is not cheap plastic, it is actually metal. There is a black box. Alright. This is the mount for the camera. This is the tripod stand for the gimbal. This is the I think the vertical slide. You know, it's in metal. The material is metal, it's not plastic. Actually, when I got this gimbal, I thought it was going to be in plastics, but I was surprised to see that the most of the materials are in metal, which means it's going to be good quality. It feels smooth. It feels like it is quality. So this is the pieces of what is in the box, a look of how it looks like on the tripod. It is really beautiful, very solid, very steady, high quality, I can say. You know, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, and I'm so excited that I got myself a gimbal. Actually, this gimbal was a birthday present I got for myself. Yes, I bought myself a birthday present. Now let's delve into the black box. What is in the black box? I'm guessing it's going to be wires, but then let's see what are inside. Okay. Wow, this is a lot. Okay, it's empty, yes. And yeah, we have connectors, a lot of connectors. Some I don't think I will ever use because some are also outdated. But I really appreciate that they've included all these connectors into the box so that you don't have to now go and be looking for a connector just in case you need them, or you have an old device that you need that type of connector. We have type A, type B, as far back as jack to C connectors. So everything is like from type C to the other. Yes, and I think this is the charging cable. This is a screw, and we also have a screw for mounting the focus motor, the motor that rotates the lens. We have the screw for that. We also have the mount for GoPro. Yes, and this is how the camera looks like on the gimbal. So I actually did the balancing off camera. I did it. This is not a review of the gimbal. This is just an unboxing. So I did the balancing, and this is how it looks like with the camera on it, and with the joysticks, how we control and operate the gimbal, which is turning left, and this is turning right, turning up, turning down. And it also has a small screen. Wow, and the screen is touch screen. You can manually operate the gimbal by touching on the screen. So yeah, it has so many functionalities, so many menus, how to adjust the angles, the axis, and it also has its own camera for tracking purposes. So you can use the camera to track yourself. You can use the gimbal, to track yourself whilst you are shooting yourself. And this is amazing. The quality is good. The touch is not very responsive like that. But then, with something this small, I think I wasn't expecting much. The touch is not very responsive. It's lagging. It's slow. But with the quality of this gimbal, I don't think I'll need the screen very much. So this, I am trying out the panoramic, picture taking. So the gimbal will move the camera in a panoramic way for you to take a panoramic picture. And it's complete. There you go. It's complete. And thank you for watching. This is the SCORP Mini 2 by FeyuTech.